Hi everybody, it's Peg, and I am here just to do a little quick video. I want to show you what I got on my desk because stuff has been coming in, and oh my goodness, stuff has been coming in. Lisa Conway, hello Lisa. She sent me beautiful painty papers. Let me open this up and show you guys. Look at this lacy thing. Lacy doily. And painty papers front and back. So cool. Look at that pretty blue. It's got iridescent shimmer on it. You know I love iridescent shimmer. And that's on some music sheet music. Flip through these. So pretty. Love that one. That's boho looking. Boho. Yeah, okay. And, oh, there's some more colors. And look at that. Okay, so that's from Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you so much. I will put these to good use. So that's Lisa Conway. Then, Dani Coleman, total surprise, sent me a package of painty papers. And look at these guys. So pretty. Right? Very pretty. There's another boho looking paper. Thank you, Dani. These are going to be really fun to work with. And I have a project in mind. I have to get to it here later. You'll see. I have another friend that sent me kind of a challenge deal. Look at that. Ooh, love that. Okay. And there's another. Scraped on. And another. And another. And so cool. Thank you. Fun painty papers from Dani. And then I got this card, which is another one, what I'm talking about here. Something I'm going to use some of this painted paper on. I got this little package in the mail, and it's coming to me, a little postcard from PPG Jamie. If you guys know Jamie on YouTube. She sent me this little postcard. Says, congratulations, your name was drawn for the card lottery video, ? So, obviously there's a video out there I haven't watched. Why, yes, there is one date, 8/17/18. Okay, that's kind of gone by, so it must have been a video she did yesterday, because this is the 18th. I'll a mixed media postcard on my YouTube, APG Jamie, and you won't. And you won. I won the postcard. Okay. So exciting stuff. Yes, it is. I hope you enjoy. Happy artin', y'all. And if everybody knows Jamie, you know that's her line. Happy artin', y'all. But fun postcard. And then she sent stuff in here with it. Poems from Emily Dickinson. Here's an excuse slip. And some word pieces and a beautiful napkin with birds on it. So yeah, I think I'm going to make a postcard with some of those painty papers. Okay, in addition to that, I got this package in the mail today. And what's in it? Well, an assortment of stuff. I got painty papers. Look at these painty papers. And I got my journal back. So, this is from, we've been swapping journals. This is coming to me from Lois, I believe. Yeah, from Lois Wright. And so in here, she's included not only the journal I have to work on next, but painty papers, packed very neatly between tissue papers. Thank you very much. Look at that. Aren't these pretty? These are fun. And there we go. And this one looks like she did some gel printing on one side and painting on the other. This looks like a brayer off and some stamping. And then this side looks like a gel print. So thank you very much, Lois. And then I'll give you guys a quick, I haven't even looked at this myself yet, so it's going to be a big surprise. This is the journal that we were swapping. I made the original journal, which is this. Or, I shouldn't say that. I got the journal from one of the gals in the group, and I decorated it. Okay, so I decorated the front and back of this journal. And then in here, I told them what I wanted and did the first page in here. And then they started working on the journal. So this one was from Kathy Whitney. Isn't that pretty? Look at the butterfly. It's got glitter on it. So cool. Okay, and then this one is from, I can't make out the name. I'm sorry. I'll have to figure that out. But this is the second page that was done in the swap. And then this is the third one that Lois did. Look at that. She went all out, didn't she? It's got shimmer and shine and images. It says good vibes only. Yeah. And then she did an extra page for me. Isn't that cool? And I've got, you know, another page or so to go in here that I can finish up. And then I had a pocket in the back. I created a pocket where they could add things in the back. So there's tags in here. Here's a cool tag. I like that stamp. That's a cool stamp. Okay, it's asking what, oh my gosh, what didn't I use? I might be shorter list, and they list the things that they used on their tag. That doesn't have a name on it, so I'm not sure who that's from. And Kathy put her name on that one, so I know that one's from Kathy. This is the one that I did, and I told them, you know, what I had used and what my expectation was. And then this one is use so many layers I'm not sure what everything was. Stamp the girl on my page. Oh, this is from Lisa Elaine. And then I have extra, see, I put this in here so that they could make tags if they didn't have their own tags to go in here. So those just fit in the back, and that's the back of my journal. So, okay, that's my journal returned to me. Now I've got this one to work on, and this one is, didn't mean to show anything. This is from Kathy, and I will do my page in here, and then I will send it back to her, because I think she's the last one in here. So, yeah, I'll get that done and get that out in the mail, and then I will be done with that swap. And I also picked up a couple of books, so I'm gonna work out of this and do a little bit of doodle and yeah, that's it for me. So see you guys next time. Bye for now. Remember, you make a difference, and thanks for stopping in and leaving me comments and subscribing and all that stuff. Bye guys.